Today, we're focusing on color to create an Among Us color wheel. Color is one of the 7 elements of art. The elements of art include line, color, shape, form, texture, space, and value. Primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. These are the colors we need to mix all other colors. The secondary colors are orange, green, and purple, and they're made by mixing the primary colors together. When you mix red and yellow, you get orange. When you mix yellow and blue, you get green. And when you mix blue and red, you get purple. The color wheel is arranged in a specific way to show us how the colors work together. Let's create a color wheel using Among Us characters. For this project, I'm using a sheet of paper, Sharpie, watercolor paints, and oil pastels. You can use whatever materials you have to add color to your picture. Let's start by folding our paper in half. Fold your paper in half once more. When you open your paper, you should have a vertical fold line and a horizontal fold line meeting in the middle. Now draw 4 dots on the fold lines, equal distance from the center of the paper. Connect these 4 dots to make a circle. Draw your first Among Us character on top of the circle in the center. Start by drawing an oval. Draw a line up from that oval, around and back down to the circle. Draw lines to create the first leg. Draw the second leg and connect it back to the oval. Add a curved shape on the Among Us character's back. Turn your paper slightly and draw another character pointing towards the corner of the paper. Turn your paper again so you can draw another character pointing towards the other top corner of the paper. Once you have your first 3 characters drawn, turn your paper upside down and draw the same thing again, 3 Among Us characters. To color our characters, first we need to find our 3 primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. Now find your secondary colors, green, orange, and purple. Let's plan out where each color goes before we start coloring. Starting with your primary colors, find the red and make a mark on your first character. Skip one character and go to the next. Find another primary color and make a mark on that character. Skip the next character again, find your final primary color and make a mark. In between red and yellow, we're going to color orange because red and yellow makes orange. In between yellow and blue, we're going to color green because yellow and blue mixed together makes green. In between blue and red, we're going to color purple because blue and red mixed together makes purple. Now that you know where every color goes on the color wheel, go ahead and color in each character. I'm going to use a gray oil pastel to color the masks. And use the white oil pastel to draw a highlight. Next, I'm coloring that circle in the center of the paper. You can decorate that circle however you want. I'm writing sus in the middle. I want my background to look like a galaxy. So to create stars, I'm pressing down firmly, drawing dots in the background that I will then paint over with watercolor paints. For a galaxy, paint the background alternating blue and purple. Notice how those white dots resist the watercolor paint.